Etsy is worth it if you do 13 things correctly. My favorite bonus advice at the end. Here they are. Number 1. Banner and branding needs to be cohesive, professional on niche. Number 2. The About section. Make it story-driven and personal. Customers love to see behind the scenes. Number 3. SEO. Use every available character space. Let's start with title. Number 4. Product titles need to be keyword-rich and clear. Use 2 adjectives to 1 anchor word, meaning 2 or more adjectives and a noun separated by a comma until you get close to 140 characters without using any one word more than twice. Watch my video on how to use ChatGPT with Etsy SEO rules. I have included a link to this video in description. Number 5. Tags, all 13, no repeats, targeted, and they don't have to make sense. Etsy mixes and matches them. Number 6. Descriptions. Tell a story, add details, but keep it short. I keep mine to 2 or 3 sentences. Number 7. Photos. Most important, these are your conversion tools. Keep them crisp, bright, lifestyle plus plain shots. Number 8. Videos. Short, engaging, product-focused. Use Canva or Descript to make reels. Use hooks to keep customers interested. I usually use 4 or 5 slides in my reels. This one is made in Canva. Show engraving or making the candle in the reel if you can. I know you can't light every candle, but you can video a plain candle, light it, then create a mock-up with your design. Number 9. Info cards. Use for product details, fragrance choices, font type choices. Assume customers won't read your description. Everything in description can be beautifully displayed on an info card. I have at least 3 in my 10 photo slots. Number 10. Shipping. Fast turnaround time encourages sales. This is why I use a wax that cures in 3 days. I always ship on day 3. Number 11. Packaging. Etsy customers expect their packaging to be part of the experience. Make sure it is branded and beautiful. I use blue crinkle paper for a luxury touch and include info cards and request for review card. Watch my video on branding as packaging for more details. Number 12. Customer service. Respond quickly, kindly, and professionally. Reviews matter. Number 13. Ads. Until you sell daily, don't waste your money on ads. Once you are selling daily, just advertise your best sellers and spend enough money to get you through the day. These are the strategies I have implemented since working with the Etsy consultant. My store is young and growing. I did a lot of things wrong for a long time, and I am slowly fixing them. Etsy is not my primary way of selling candles, but I am working to replace my wholesale business with online selling. I am not an Etsy expert, but I have learned a lot. The most important things to know about Etsy is it is a long game, not a quick get-rich or passive income gig. The more time you put in it, the more reward. Don't grow your store too fast or you will end up with a dead store. The reason for this is conversion rate. It doesn't look good to Etsy if you have 100 items you have put in quickly and no sales. Enter 1 new listing a day, so Etsy knows you are an active store and you build trust. Try to get to 100 items and beyond. Bigger stores sell more. If a listing hasn't sold in 3 renewals, deactivate it. It hurts your store to stay. I am Kimberly Patterson, and I show candle makers how to turn plain candle vessels into works of art using sublimation and engraving. Be sure to subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.